Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have a 5.3 LS next to me, and on this episode we're just going to be doing the bare minimum of what we need to do to clean this and get it back together to where we can reassemble it.
It's mass throttle driving fast, taking control. Whoa, yeah.
Today we are at a car wash because I'm not home. I'm away for training and I don't have my power washer. So we get to use this local car wash to where I'm at. I hope the audio is not horrible because it is really windy. I already broke my mic because the wind blew over my tripod. So hopefully you guys can hear me well. If not, I'll probably just do an audio over this. But we are going to be cleaning the heads, cleaning the engine. I got some engine degreaser, but I saw that oven cleaner is actually really good, and I wanted to try it. It's a cheaper option than engine degreaser. So we're going to spray it down, let it sit for a bit, and then spray it down and see how well it does. And then I have a scrubber if I need to get even more clean with it. So my initial take on the two is the oven cleaner feels like it's doing a better job. I mean, I guess you can already see this side of the head is already cleaner than that side. And this doesn't really even seem like it's like staying there, it's just spraying it and coming off. It's not really taking anything with it. This is staying, foaming, breaking it down, and then taking it with it. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna power wash real quick, see how it goes. This is the head I used with oven cleaner. This is the head I used with the engine degreaser. And yeah, you can clearly see a difference. Now I think if you use the scrubber, at least the bowl will be cleaned up pretty good. Still got some grime here, but that just comes right out. Whereas with the engine degreaser, it doesn't. So after washing these down and kind of scrubbing them a little bit, I am soaking wet and freezing, but the heads are a lot cleaner. A lot cleaner than they were. Almost good enough to put back on, but we're going to end up going through them. This is kind of hard to do with one hand. Sorry about that. Yeah, we're going to end up still cleaning them up some more, going through them. The engine is a lot cleaner, but still, you know, there's still some stuff like right there. Still needs to go through. And I plan on cleaning up the bores in the next episode. And so I'll clean the pistons when I take them out, re-ring them. So yeah, there's a new engine on the channel now. I've been super excited about this for a while. I've actually had this engine for a while. It's just kind of been on the back burner because I had other things I needed to do. But since I'm away at training, I knew I wanted to keep making content for you guys. So I was like, you know what? We're going to bring the 5.3 and just do a low budget refresh, cleaning, and I think it'll be a lot of good content that I can make for you guys, and we can kind of learn along the way and see what is the most minimalist stuff that you need, right? So I don't have an air compressor, I don't have a parts washer, I don't have a pressure washer, I don't have like any big tools that would make this job way easier. I just have a couple brushes, some brake clean, some degreaser, and we're gonna get after it. We're gonna clean it, and then we're gonna prep it for new gaskets and everything. We're gonna change out a couple parts. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And yes, I mean, you guys are probably wondering, what is the engine gonna go into? It's gonna go into my E30. I've been wanting to do this for a while. The E30 is great. I love the inline six to a certain extent. But the V8 will sound better. It will perform better. Like I'll, jump up to 300 or so horsepower compared to the 125. So stick with me. This is going to be a really fun multi-part build series on the engine, but also the car as well. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment. Let me know if there's anything you want to see during this rebuild. Maybe you have questions on that I might be able to answer, or suggestions. Tell me, hey, you messed that up, or hey, I recommend these parts, or I recommend doing this while you're there. So follow along. Let's get to it. All right, so what do I have to work with here? I have some brass brushes right here. I got a little like wire brush that I can kind of get into all the bolt holes and clean those out. So this actually came with another scrubber, and this will come in handy. I got some brake cleaner. I got some Scotch-Brite pads. That'll be pretty handy. I got some Dove dish soap. Don't know how much I'm going to actually use of this. I might. I'll get a spray bottle of just probably distilled water. And like you saw earlier where I'm at the car wash and I used oven cleaner, that blew my mind. I used engine degreaser and oven cleaner, engine degreaser, oven cleaner, and the oven cleaner worked amazing. So I'll probably end up picking up some more of that to finish off cleaning the rest of this engine, because that stuff worked really good, and I would rather not have to sit here and scrub for hours upon hours, when I could save a lot of time with the oven cleaner and have it do most of the work. So we stopped at the good old Harbor Freight, and I picked up some scrapers. So we will see how they do. Oh yeah, they're doing pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm probably gonna douse this in engine or oven cleaner. So it's even lemon scent, and I heard that's good for engines because they need their citrus. Not really, yeah, so we'll do oven cleaner, scraper. Just kind of scrape this out, and then probably move on to the next side, and then I'm then going to move into the engine block. So where we are at, I'm not too worried about cleaning out the cylinders right now. I will be cleaning out the cylinders. I plan on actually pulling the pistons out and rods and doing a dingleberry hone, just a light hone on these, and then re-ringing all the pistons. But I'm not going to change any internals, right? I'm going to keep the stock piston rods, bearings, the bearings and the crankshaft. I will change when I get home. I will change the crankshaft bolts for the rod bolts. But right now I don't have any, so I'm just going to reuse them for now. And then, yeah, I guess I kind of went on a tangent there. I plan on just cleaning the tops of the pistons, cleaning the mating surfaces, cleaning the side of the engine, just because I want to clean it up, get all the grime off of it. And that will be it for this video. So just cleaning everything. Next video, we'll get into disassembly. We'll remove, the lifter trays, the push rod. Push rods. No, push rods are out. Yeah, we'll remove everything. And then, but leave the crankshaft and everything else in place. So now we're going to be moving on to the front of the engine. I got some gasket material here I need to scrape off. I got more bolt holes that I need to get my scrubber in. I probably will end up replacing this front cover, but who knows? I might keep it. We'll see, and just maybe paint it black or a different color. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and scrub all this down. I got this side, the right side of the engine, looking pretty good. I still got some more stuff to do on it, but we're gonna come here, and then I'll probably clean this side off camera just because, you know, you guys already saw that. Conclude this video. The cleaning on the engine's done. It's crazy what a little oven cleaner and a bristle brush, Scotch-Brite pad will do. I mean, I feel way happier now with the condition of this engine. And not only is the engine clean, but as you're going over and you're cleaning it and you're seeing it, you get to inspect the bores, inspect like the valleys, like where the lifter trays are, and see like, oh, okay, hey, you know what? This engine's actually not that bad. It is rebuildable. Or hey, there's a big issue. There's a crack, or there's this. I can't rebuild this engine. So I got to kind of get to know the engine a little bit more, and I think that helps a lot going down the road of rebuilding the engine. So yeah, the engine cleaning's done. Next episode, we are going to be tearing the engine apart all the way down to basically the crankshaft. I'm going to leave that in. But everything else is coming out. And just if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Stick around. There's going to be a lot of learning in this mini build series, and I think it's going to be a lot of good content. I'm really excited, and I hope you guys are too.
Thunder roll. Smash throttle, driving fast, taking control. One more time, light it up. Let's make that engine clash. Click now to subscribe. Don't